Thibitari cia St Mary's nigukoretwo na ngucanio cia urugamiriri gatagati-ini ka Father Bill Friday na Assumption Sisters, undu uria ucungiriirie aruti a wira amwe kugurara uru na aria angi kuhamurithio kuma wira-ini wao. Kiumia kihituku thibitari uyu uria uri na ikuru gicigo-ini kia Elementaita ni kwagire Githagathago thutha wa aruti a wira thibitari-ini uyu guthukangia indo makiregana na urugamiriri mweru wa thibitari uyu. Ni kurumirira ngucanio ici kuria riu Joseph Ngeria uria waheanite mugunda uyu etite na kuuga niaguthie igoti-ini niguo acokirio mugunda uyu uria ugite waheanire niguo wakwo thibitari wa St Mary's Elementaita, kuona ngucanio ici ni irehete giconoko kinene.
I'm moving to court to have that decision reviewed, because obviously it was a bad decision to give my rad to an entity or to the sisters who I had not given.
Ngeria ni ugite mugunda ucio uri moko-ini make, kuona niwe uri na title deed ya mugunda ucio uria arenda umucokerere.
Even when they went to court, I have always been trying to reconcile them, but I'm sorry to say the current leadership and the other leadership of Assumption Sisters of Nairobi have been a bit difficult for me.
Ona kuri ugo igoti ni rirutite wathe wa kugiririria arugamiriri eru kufuta wira aruti a wira aria makoretwo thibitari-ini uyu, na wathe wa kugiririria kuhamurithio kuma nyumba-ini cia guikara iria mahetwo thibitari-ini ucio. Maya magithiaga na mbere mathina maingi ni merekereirio kuri Father Bill Friday gukirikana ni aranyitane na arugamiriri anene a borithi kuma gicigo kia Rift Valley niguo gutigirira arugamiriri eru aria ni Assumption Sisters matinaiyukia urugamiriri wa thibitari ucio. Ndugamano ino ru ndiramenyekana guthii na mbere kwa ihinda rigana atia, guku na warwaru magithii na mbere na guthinika ni kwaga utungata wa urigitani. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Njuguna.